The rubber seal will sit on this, which is where the fans are mounted.
Oh, okay. So
and it seals that out up so the radiator stays sealed.
Yeah.
So I'm pretty sure if you pull that, it's gonna have at least resistance.
Yeah.
It basically essentially makes it an airbox. There we go.
Yeah, well,
now
let's
we
hope
know
that it sits in there tight enough that it doesn't rattle. I guess what you gotta do is put it up in there and see.
I need to fix my clippy.
Yeah.
Real quick.
There.
Yeah, relock them in because you push them on and they.
And they'll go down to that next clip.
Yeah. Let me get these situated. All right.
Oh, I gotta get our other brackets up, right?
Oh,
or do
no,
they go up afterwards?
They go up afterwards. You gotta like put that in and hold it, and then I gotta fucking dick with these. It just goes in the hole.
See, there's nothing holding this back.
Yeah, but it's gotta go in these holes.
No, I know, but there's nothing holding this back. I mean,
Yeah, but once it's pushed up there, it'll be up there. Got any aluminum tape?
Yeah, why?
Because you could hit it with aluminum tape. That's how we seal the ducts on the race car.
Ah, you fucker.
Oh, cock. Put them up and then fuck with them. You want me to? Alright, let me put this down. Alright. That wasn't bad.
No, it's pretty good design, really.
Whipple makes nice shit. Alright, let's put our brackets back. That goes
we gotta put the rubber.
Whoa!
The rubber snubber up on there.
The rubber snubber.
Okay.
It doesn't have the
Oh, doesn't have the
clips. Because that's supposed to go in the slot. There you go. Oh, that one's supposed to go in first?
Yeah. Which is next to impossible.
Does it go over the top?
Yeah.
Way to fucking go, Ford. Or did you do it backwards? Because this has a... But then the GPS thing is facing the wrong way.
Yeah.
But that doesn't work either.
Actually, it goes this way, but I don't see any way that.
Maybe the tab's supposed to be straight like this one?
I would think that's probably what's supposed to happen.
Fuck. Probably gonna relocate that more forward. Fun. Because it's interfering with our dicky-doo here. Nice.
Looks like it was made for it.
Gee, I wonder why. Mucho better. Mount that under. I guess it's time to battle a bumper, huh?
I guess so.
Fuck.
I think that's probably the next step.
Bumper, skid plate, done. It ain't too bad, man. Ooh, bumper. All right, bumper back on, wiring hooked up. Now Wick's getting the plastic trim chingus with clippies. Oh shit.
Perfect.
Now you fucking did it. Well, that was easy enough. Now you just stick the thingies in the hole. Through the years, I've been getting good at sticking thingies in holes. riding a bicycle, you don't forget.
They're kind of beefy little push pins.
These are nice. They go in. But, you know, let's revisit this in 5 years and see how easy these come in and out.
Yeah, I suspect after sitting in the desert heat, they probably aren't going to be too good.
There's that one. And then you got your two that go on top of the tow hook bracket. And now we do the skid plate. And then we are done. Skid plate time. Bam! She's all back together.
Let's start it and see if we get any lights.
We gotta hook the battery up first.
Yeah.
All right, you wanna tighten that up? We just used it. Sorry, I made that awkward, but I'm not trying to get footage while.
Is it square?
Yeah, looks good. Hey, look. It's back together. Can't even tell.
Nothing ever happened.
Yeah. And even when you look through the grill, that opening, you can't even tell it's been swapped.
No, except for the louver's missing.
Well, we don't tell people that.
It looks better though.
Yeah.
Let's see if we get any warning lights.
Fire it up. And then go drive it around. Hey, it runs. So nothing's mad that we know of.
Yeah, I think if it was, it would be popping up.
You want me to close the hood and then you go cruise it around in here?
Yeah, just going to run around the circle. I don't want to get too hot because I want to pop that thing off and see about putting those, on the laser shifters.
Yeah, we can do that.
I would think we'd be seeing a message now if it was